Guys, these majorly discounted prices that we're seeing for Dogecoin are about to be over. The consumer price index just came out, and guys, things are looking very, very bullish. We're going to be discussing this in today's video. I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals. And if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's where you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip, that rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more, I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well, or hold your position. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals, because we've made a lot of money. Guys, it doesn't matter if you only have $50, $100, or $200 to invest, it's never too little. I've seen successful patrons start with those amounts time and time again. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And if you love Dogecoin, smash that like button, it really does help out the channel. Guys, the Consumer Price Index report came out, which measures inflation. Inflation happens because the government won't stop printing money. They keep printing it, inevitably making the dollars that are out there worth less and less. Guys, people expected inflation to be much higher. However, the report showed that the numbers are actually much lower, which is very good news. Guys, when inflation is very high and the report comes out showing that, we oftentimes see stocks and cryptos dip and dip very low. However, since it did come out and it showed that inflation is actually very low, people are starting to get more excited about putting their money into stocks, putting it into crypto. And guys, we're about to see Bitcoin hit $50,000 because of this, and I conjecture just within the next week or two. And of course, when this happens, I believe that Dogecoin will also hit 30 cents once again. Guys, based on historical data, we see October being very bullish. Same with November and December. So you want to get in during September while these prices are still very, very low, before October hits. Before we see some massive bounces, you want to be positioned very, very well. So look out for the dips when I call them out and have some cash on the side. And I believe this is literally the last opportunity to get in while Dogecoin is below 30 cents. Guys, it's at a very good price right now, and it very well could be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Guys, people got rich on cryptos, not because they got in on the uptrend. They got rich because they got in before the masses, before the mass adoption, while the prices were low during the dips. Guys, you want to be smart about investing. You're already ahead of the curve watching these videos. Never do what your emotions tell you. Never FOMO in. Never buy in on the uptrend. Always get in when the prices are very, very low. And that's what I help you guys with on my Patreon. You want to swim with the whales, and that's what I look out for. Guys, an article just came out titled, "Incoming Golden Cross Presents Potential Bottom for Bitcoin Price. However, some crucial Bitcoin price levels must be broken before the bullish party can start." Guys, I called this out about a week ago, the golden cross that's forming on the Bitcoin charts. Guys, this is an incredibly bullish symbol. It's when the 50-day average finally collides with the 200-day moving average. Guys, this sometimes can happen. It's a very rare thing to happen, but it can happen after a huge bull run. And like some of the top crypto experts conjecture, including myself, this could very well be a sign of the bottom for Bitcoin. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. With a bullish diversion and the falling wedge forming on the Bitcoin charts, guys, the ascending triangle is going to inevitably give us a huge bounce to the upside. And guys, you want to be positioned very well for this. You want to have some cash on the side because you don't want to get in when it goes up on the uptrend. Then people get greedy, people FOMO in, and then they have regrets. Guys, you don't want to do that. You want to be positioned before this happens so that you can rake in the profits when the smaller retailer investor gets greedy and they get in at the wrong time, literally handing you their money. The RSI is also forming a divergence, which tells us that a potential breakout is on the verge. Guys, it's going to happen here very soon, and I conjecture just within the next week or two. Guys, some of the top crypto experts out there are expecting for Bitcoin to literally be 100,000 by the end of this year and 150,000 just in early 2022. And guys, if this happens, what do you think Dogecoin will be at? What do you think Ethereum will be at? Guys, they typically outperform Bitcoin. So inevitably, we would see Ethereum easily hitting $30,000 to $50,000 by the end of this year, and possibly $100,000 just by next year. Guys, Dogecoin easily being $1 to $2 in early 2022. An article just came out titled, "Are strong technicals enough to bring the price of Bitcoin up to $100,000 just by the end of 2021? And guys, in the article, the crypto expert is actually expecting for Bitcoin to hit $200,000 by next year. Guys, how could this possibly happen? It's simple. Supply shortages, supply and demand. When they decided to make Bitcoin and Ethereum deflationary and limited, that inevitably caused the prices to go up. They're limited to the point where they will be rare at some point in time, literally not even being able to be purchased on the regular exchanges. A lot of the Bitcoin and Ethereum, as we speak, is being moved off of the exchanges into cold storage, which inevitably means that the people holding it, the whales holding it, have incredible confidence for its future and are making it non-accessible to the regular, everyday, smaller retailer investor. FUD has hit historic levels for Bitcoin, according to our algorithm measuring commentary volume, combined with positive versus negative scores. Severe negativity has inevitably led to inevitable price bounces, after weak paper hands have dropped out. Guys, the people with paper hands, they got scared. They got out after just one red week, after several months of green days. Guys, you don't want to be like them because they are very well going to regret when the prices go sky high once again. And these dips are only going to cause people to get in, the smaller retailer investor and whales, to put millions and billions of dollars back into the crypto market space, causing the prices to go up. Guys, the bounces are inevitable and we're going to see them very, very soon. Guys, on the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, we are in the fear right now, which tells us that we are about to see a bottom. And when we hit that bottom, guys, there is no going down from there. We will bounce, and we will bounce very hard. Guys, because the Golden Cross event is going to happen just within the next day or two, we are about to see a bullish reversal on the Bitcoin chart, causing the rest of the cryptocurrency market to follow up along with it. And guys, when we take a look at the Dogecoin charts, we do see that we had a bullish pennant right here, a bullish flag and pennant forming an ascending triangle, which inevitably caused us to have a breakout, right? We had a breakout to the upside right here, which allowed us to sell, and then we had a breakout to the downside, which was okay, because this consolidation cool down phase only allowed people to get in once again at the bottom right here. So if you bought right here, guys, congratulations, you're already seeing big profits, because right up here, that's where we had our huge sell-off. And then we went down again. Guys, we're coming down. We're going to hit the bottom again. We're going to hit our level of resistance once again, and then we're going to head up and shoot up straight from there. So guys, you want to be ready with some cash on the side to buy the dip when I call it out. And if you haven't already joined my Patreon, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's where you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip, that rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more, I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well, or hold your position. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth of $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.